Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to talk about data type in Python. Data type is nothing but it is a type of a variable. For example, like I said before in the last video, I have showed you what is variable. Variable is a piece of container. It's a type of container which contains data in it, but the variable has a type. The variable has a type, and the variable has a data type. That data type is what we need to learn in this video. So for example, if you take the real world, every real world object has a type, such as mobile phone has variety of types, like laptop has a variety of types, such as in programming world, variable has different types. Okay, like I said before, variable has different types. So this is a small variable, just contains a piece of text, but this text in programming world we call text as a string. Okay, string means a collection of characters like this. So when you declare a text, you need to put inside a double quotes, or you have to put inside a single quotes. So now the name is a variable. Okay, name is a variable. The type of the name, the data type of this variable, is string, because string is text in programming world. Okay, in programming world it is commanded string is equal to text. Okay, like that. Numbers. Okay, if you take a number, like I'm gonna store 55. Now this number is a variable. The data type of this variable is number. We call number in programming world as integer or floating point, depending on the data type is. For example, decimal numbers, we call decimal numbers as integer. Okay, and there are another type of numbers available, such as 25.3. so it is called floating point number. Now this variable, so the number underscore 2 variable contains these values in it. So the type of this variable is floating point, because it has point in it. Like that, the number is a variable. The type of this number, the data type of this variable is integer. So now the data type of this name variable is strings, because it contains a series of text in it. So data type is nothing but it is a type of a variable. In Python there are many data types, such as list, dictionary, and so on and so forth. Another data type is boolean, such as true or false. Okay, we will learn this concept in upcoming videos, but what we need to learn here, data type is nothing but it is a type of a variable. In real world we have many objects, such as phone, laptop, everything has a certain type in it. Like that, in programming world, variable has type in it, such as it is a text variable, it is a string variable, it is an integer variable, it is a floating point variable, and so on and so forth. And the next things I want to teach, for example, if you want to check the type of the variable, we already learned this command. Print is used to print something on the screen. So I'm going to say name. So if I type name and execute this program, so I already navigated to my path, so it will print the text inside it. So I'm going to put my name in it. Okay, so it will print GL, because if you want to know the type of this variable, you need to put the type keyword before it. Okay, if you use the type, if you print now, it will tell the type. Now you can see class str means string means text. Like that, if you want to know the second type, which is number, you can type number, and if you print out, so what will happen, class int mean integer. So if you see the another one underscore this one, so I think this one is going to be float. Okay, floating point data type. So data type is nothing but the type of a variable. type of the variable is the data type. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.